Hi there, welcome to PCM, Pre-College Mathematics. In this video tutorial, we will be studying about arithmetic progressions, and specifically we will be looking upon NCERT examples. So let's start on. First, we will be revising what we have done in the previous video. So we write as AP and its equation. Equation in the sense, first term is A, suppose, and the second term we can write as A plus D, third term we can write as A plus 2D, and fourth term we can write as A plus 3D, and so on up to L, say last term. Okay, we have to check whether this is in AP or not. So A plus D minus A is D. Okay, D is common difference. Then A plus 2D, this difference, A plus 2D minus A plus D is minus bracket A plus D is also D. So it is in AP. Okay, so this is in AP with common difference is equal to D. For example, if we have to give an example, we can say 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. In this case, A is equal to 1, L, which is last term, it is equal to 9 this term, and difference is D is equal to, it is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. D is 2. Okay, we can verify that this difference is 7 minus 5 is also 2. Okay, so if in AP, A1 is the first term, A2 is the second term, A3 is the fourth term, A4, then A5 and so on, then we are claiming that if this sequence is in AP, so there is a condition that A2 minus A1 will be equal to A3 minus A2 will be equal to A4 minus A3 will be equal to D. This is common difference. Okay, so now we will be doing some of the examples from NCERT only. Okay, so we have examples of NCERT here with ourselves. Okay, so for the AP, example number 1, for the AP, this write the first term A and the common difference. By just looking at this thing, we can tell this is the first term. So A is 3 by 2, and what's the common difference? Common difference can be found by second terms minus the first term. So D will be 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2, which is minus 1 also. So if I have to write this, 3 by 2 is the first term, 1 by 2 is the second term, then minus half is the third term, minus 3 by 2 is the fourth term. So it is A1, it is A2, it is A3 and it is A4. So A2 minus A1 is minus 1, A3 minus A2 is minus half, which is also minus 1. So it is an AP with A is equal to 3 by 2 and D is equal to minus 1. So this is done. Then we have to find then the question is this: which of the following list of, if they are in AP, write the next two terms. Okay, so the first part is 4, 10, 16 and 22. So this is the first term, A is 14, this difference is 10 minus 4, it is 6, this difference is 16 minus 10, it is also 6, and this difference is 22 minus 16, it is also 6. So as all difference are same, hence it is AP. Okay, so to find it, the next term we have to find these two terms. So we know that any term in AP is equal to previous term plus common difference. So this term will be 22, the previous term, previous term plus common difference, which is 6. So it is 28. So it is 28 here. Now to find this term, we can write it as 28. The previous for this one, 28 plus common difference is 6. So it is 34. So here it is 34. Okay. So it is AP and we have done this question. Second is 1 minus 1 minus 3. So the second question is, if I have to remove this, okay, if I erase this, make space. Okay. So the question is 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 5. The difference between these two terms is minus 1, that is minus 2. Okay, this difference is equal to minus 2. This difference is minus 3 minus of minus 1, which is again minus 2. So this difference is also minus 2. Then this difference is minus 5 minus of minus 3. It is again minus 2. So this is again minus 2. Hence, this is AP as all differences are minus 2. To find the next two terms, we can just add the previous term, which is minus 5, and this minus 2 common difference. So it will become minus 7. So minus 7 will become here. And to find this term, we use minus 7 as the previous term. So minus 7 plus minus 2 will be minus 9. So minus 9 should come here. Okay. So this question is also done. Now we have this thing, minus 2, 2 minus 2. Okay, this is easy one. So just look at these two terms. The difference will be 2 minus of minus 2, that will be 4. But if we look at these two terms, then difference will be minus 2 will be minus 4. As these two difference are not same, hence it is not an AP, because for a sequence to be AP, every consecutive difference should be same. Okay, so this is not AP. This is AP. Second question. Then fourth part is 1 1 1 2 2. Okay, so this is easy also. Look at this difference. It is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. And look at this difference, which is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. As these two differences are not same, hence it is not an AP. Okay, so you can just ignore these. Okay, so we have done all these parts. In the next video, we will be doing NCERT exercise, and till then you can solve these examples by yourself. Read on.